Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a little village out of these little metal houses from Dollar Tree. So these houses I got last year, but I think they're super cute and I never ended up doing anything with them. So I'm going to paint all of the houses red, just the house part, not the roof. I know that they're already red, but they weren't the color red that I was looking for. So I found a red that I really liked, and I'm going to paint the houses with that red. So as you can see, it's a little bit of a different color. It has like a more burgundy feel to it than the red that was originally on the houses. Plus that one house was green and I didn't want it to be green anymore, so I'm going to paint that one also. This took a couple of coats on each of the houses. Had I been able to go outside and spray paint, that probably would have been easier, but I also didn't want to get the roof, so I didn't want to have to do all the taping off or anything. So now that I have them all red, I'm going to take some white chalk paint and I'm going to paint all of the roofs with the white chalk paint. So now that I'm finished painting them and they're all dry, as you can see, they are a really nice burgundy. And I even did the insides of the houses white also. You don't have to do that part. I'm just really particular about things. Next, I'm going to take a tray from Dollar Tree, one of these little serving platters, and I'm going to give that a couple of good coats of white chalk paint as well. And here it is all painted. I even did the underside. The only thing I didn't do was the bottom. And I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to pull my houses back out. And I'm just going to take some Snow Tex. Or you can make your own snow. It's totally up to you. I just really like the texture of Snow Tex. And I'm going to add that to all of the roofs of my houses. And I'm just going to do that by stippling it on with a paintbrush. So I just kind of grab a glob of it out of the jar. And then I just stipple it on the roof with a paintbrush. While all the roofs are still wet, I'm going to take and sprinkle them with some glitter. And this will make the glitter stick better to the roofs. And how cute are these? And this is just glitter that I got at Hobby Lobby, and it sticks really well to the Snow Text. And then I'm just going to kind of bang off the excess so that it's not going everywhere and let that fully dry. So I let that all dry overnight. Now I'm going to take my little houses and I'm going to hot glue them onto my tray. So I kind of set them where I wanted them. I did the bigger house in the middle and the two smaller ones on either side. I'm just going to take some hot glue and glue them into place once I had them where I wanted them. And this is turning out so super cute. So here's my final house, the one in the center. I did that one last so that it would be perfectly centered in between the two other ones. And look how adorable this is. So next I'm going to take some faux snow from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to sprinkle that down onto the bottom of the tray. And this can be dumped out after the season's over. You can dump it back into a bag. I always put mine into sandwich bags and then throw them in with my Christmas decor so that I have it and I don't have to keep buying it every year. And then you can pop some candles in and voila, you have the cutest little light up village. I think this just turned out so adorable. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.